This decision is in line with Article 180 sub-Article 5 of the Constitution of Kenya and the Supreme Court advisory of March 2018. I therefore humbly urge the Assembly to expedite the vetting process. Whatever County Assembly, the vetting process of the said nominee for purposes of appointment as per the provisions of the County Government Act, Section 8, subsection 1A. I wish to call upon the honorable members of the County Assembly and all members of staff of the Nairobi City County Government to continue doing their part in serving our residents. God bless Nairobi, God bless Kenya, sincerely.